Hello friends, this is Rajesh Bhosle from Angel One. So in today's video, we are going to see how the markets moved in the week gone by, and what is expected in this week. So friends, if we see during the week gone by, our markets majorly moved uh, with the help of the global cues. In the start, our market started on a weak note following the weakness in the global markets. We tested the levels of around 17,300, and after that, relief in the global markets pushed our markets higher. We witnessed a V-shaped recovery, which not only recovered the lost ground, but we also managed to post a strong gain against the previous week. Nifty made a new milestone around the 17,950 mark, and it eventually ended around the 17,850 with a weekly gains of around 1.5%. So friends, definitely bulls are in a strong momentum, and we are seeing that every dips are getting easily bought, and one after another resistance are broken with ease. So there are no signs of weakness, but if we see a technical analysis, RSI indicator, so it is in a highly overbought zone, and we are also witnessing some negative divergence in it. The coming week, that is also the monthly expiry, we sense that the higher side seems to be capped around the 17,950, 18,000 mark. That is also the psychological mark. So traders are advised to book profit around these levels and avoid aggressive long bets. If they get a dip towards the 17,700 mark, that can be an opportunity to re-enter long positions. But around the higher side, 17,950, 18,000 seems to be the resistance for the monthly expiry week. Uh, we have one recommendation. Today we are recommending MCX. The stock has closed around 1659 levels. Uh, During the fag end of the August month, we witnessed a sharp upsurge in the stock prices that was accompanied with huge increase in volume, and this bounce back was seen from a long-term support of 1450 levels. But post that, the stock went into a consolidation mode as the oscillators were in a deep overbought territory. Now, during the week gone by, we witnessed prices breaking out of this consolidation pattern and forming a bullish continuation breakout known as pennant. If we see recently, last few weeks, last few months, we have seen stocks from the basket like uh, exchanges, depositories, and broking firms have given impressive move, and hence we have a strong view on this stock as well. Going ahead, we expect this stock to move towards the levels of 1785, and one can buy at current levels with a stop loss of 1597. Thank you.